My name is Mark Pucci. I'm a retired NYPD detective.
My name is William Simon. I retired out at NYPD cold case homicide. In addition, I have 30 years experience with the military.
My name is Betty Lyons. That's my colonized name. My original name is Ganya, which means small sky. I'm a proud citizen of the Onondaga Nation. I'm the executive director of the American Indian Law Alliance and fighting for the rights of Indigenous people.
Murdered and missing Indigenous women, it is a group that has not had much attention due to you have the tribal police, local police, and then you have the federal authority. And all three don't quite mesh together quite well. We're looking to go in there and bridge the gap.
What we were discovering is beyond epidemic level in the thousands, and that's every year. This is the place where we can make the most impact.
Can you imagine having a daughter, her being missing, not knowing where she is, and you can't get a police department to even hear your cries? What's happened to them? And no one cares. It's heartbreaking. And Mark not only heard it, but he felt it. And that's what sets him apart from everybody else. Now he's actually trying to do something about it.
The National Institute for Law and Justice is a not-for-profit utilizing current past law enforcement, whether it's forensics, cadaver dogs, aerial surveillance.
What sets them apart have this certain skill set that a lot of these other organizations don't have.
I come up with an investigative plan with cases that do have meat on it to move forward. I think within a month, we'll have a couple cases. We are capable enough to go in there and operate amongst them and get results.
If we do select the case because we feel that we can come to another conclusion.
I do have the experience and I have the knowledge to look at the cases and to pick out things that we can move forward with.
Our appearance may mimic everyone that's ever done anything wrong to their community. It's of the utmost importance to have the right connections. We have tribal advisory committee members, a tribal founding board member as well.
We're going to help with community outreach for people to be able to find their missing loved ones. The floodgates are going to open.
One common theme, please, we need your help.
These people are crying out for us. All they want is justice. All they want is results. All they want is someone to say, hey, you're a human. We care about you. I'm the person that's going to get them those results.
We're actually having a call this week because we're ready to have her put the word directly out. We want to show from the perspective of the Indigenous families, their everyday life, their traditions, their ceremonies, create more awareness and public outcry and sympathy, which will translate to us solving more cases. So let's say a non-tribal person goes and kills a girl on tribal land. It's the jurisdiction of the tribal police, but they're not permitted to arrest, detain, or prosecute the non-tribal person, the perfect liaison, because we can talk to the county sheriff or the state troopers because we're retired cops.
I'm the type of person that likes to take on these challenges because I know I can get results. That is the only thing they're really looking for. As we move into the case review process, we go through a laundry list, a checklist that I have from cold case homicide. It's going to be a couple of cases to work multiple cases at one time.
Part of a contractual agreement that we have with the families, we're authorized to act on their behalf. Those people will tell us things, wouldn't ever tell the police. We have 6 cases that we're currently in review. The ball is going to roll as quickly as the cases come in and we vet them. And we're off to the races immediately.
I'm going to be like a sledgehammer with these cases. That's how much of a dent they're going to make.
Real opportunity to solve these cases.
MMI, WMMI cases have so much that has not been pursued, looked into. Our ability to actually make a difference is going to be much greater than traditional investigations that wouldn't involve MMIW, MMIR.
It's exciting. I feel confident that with these cases, we are going to get those results, just due to my experience.
I don't know that anybody ever really gets full closure, but that you can lay that person to rest and that your heart can start to try to heal a little bit.